Let's get started. The first you need to do is create your app in your Google Play developer account. I already got this open here in a new tab. You can access this website by going to play.google.com/console/developers and logging in with the Google account used when you created your Google developer account. Next, click the Create App button. Now, let's choose a name for your app listing. This is what your members will see when downloading your app from the Google Play Store. Let's enter my BuddyBoss app. Now, you need to select the default language your app uses. I'm going to choose English. Now, you need to specify if your BuddyBoss app is an app. And then, select whether your app will be available to download for free or requires a purchase beforehand. You can change this option up until your app is published. Let's select free. Now, check the boxes agreeing to Google's developer program policies and accepting US export laws. Then click on Create App. Before submitting your app for publishing, you'll need to enter more information inside your Google developer account. These steps are covered in our publishing tutorials.